everyone, welcome to my channel guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to make pad thai sauce. Pad thai sauce, this is my taste. First, very important is palm sugar. This palm sugar is not white sugar, it's not brown sugar, palm sugar guys. And second, the main one is tamarind juice. The tamarind juice I make in my own fresh tamarind, but this in the can, right? And I don't use. I just want to show you that's how tamarind juice look like. You can use this one if you want to, because I use fresh. And the third, I use fresh tomato. People use tomato in a ketchup tomato. I don't like it. I like fresh. So I'm gonna start cooking with fresh tomato. And number 4 is fried garlic and fried red onion. Number 5, this lettuce, the sweet one, okay? The sweet one, don't get the salty one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6 is dry shrimp, guys. Dry shrimp to make a good taste. This is how I make sauce and fish sauce, of course. Okay, let's go start it. First, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the stove. This is the oil fried garlic. I fried the garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and put sugar in here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put palm sugar right here. Let the palm sugar cooking. Make nice and brown color. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cook palm sugar, make nice and brown color. So when you cook the noodle, they have nice, like kind of red and golden brown color. So this is important how to make palm sugar nice in color. Okay, 5 minutes. Palm sugar is not too sweet like a white sugar. They kind of sweet and have salty taste in there. It's very good balance. So this is a good way to cook with palm sugar. Anything you cook, use palm sugar, don't use white sugar. See, nice and yellow color and kind of tone touch yellow. Beautiful. 2 minutes. Okay, I see my sugar is beautiful, yellow and tone golden color. I'm gonna turn off because when I put tamarind here, they're gonna be like spill out, so you don't want to get hurt, right? So, okay, now the power turn off. I'm gonna go ahead and put this tamarind juice down here so they won't spill when turn off, okay? Because if spill when we hurt you, you don't want to get hurt. Alright. So I'm gonna cook this melting together. Okay. Alright, this is fresh tomorrow. Tomorrow. Tomato. I don't want to put any ketchup, anything in there. I go real tomato. Okay guys, go ahead, put it in. And the sweet lettuce, okay, pickle lettuce. So put this a whole bag. I'm gonna go ahead, throw it down, and I'm gonna go ahead, put the shrimp, dry shrimp in here. This is pad thai sauce. That's how you make this one, okay? Put everything down, and this is red onion, fried garlic, everything throw it down, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna let it cook down before I put fish sauce, okay? I'm gonna add MSG, just a tiny bit only, that's it. If you don't like, you don't have to put MSG, okay? Now let them cook down until everything melt together. Okay, I'm gonna add fish sauce now. Okay, I'm gonna put fish sauce, about 1 cup of fish sauce. And I'm gonna add salt. Let them cook down. And I'm gonna add fish sauce, soy sauce. All the way. So, to make the taste until you like sour, sweet and sour, and good taste sauce, and that's it. Just make until you satisfied with the taste, okay? Okay, if you really want your noodle nice and red a little bit, you add paprika. Okay, add that on, so make your sauce nice and red. Okay, let me cook down until the thing melting. I'm gonna taste the sauce. Anything not enough, you always add some more. Do the way you want it. Tastes so good. Sweet, sour, and salty. And the most important thing, you can smell the dry shrimp right here. Okay, let me cook down, and tomato. Okay, now I'm gonna stir the sauce. Stir it down until they get a little thicker. See that? You see that? Beautiful color, right? When you make pad thai, a nice and red, golden red color. And stir this one down, and I'm gonna show you next step how to cook pad thai. Okay? Okay, half hour already. Now the sauce get thicker right now. If you see that, if you can see it, yes. And I'm gonna go ahead, turn it off, and cool down. Pad thai sauce, guys. Okay, turn it off and cool down. I'm gonna show you how to blend them together to make one soft and smooth. All right, just let them cool down. I'll be back. Okay, after the sauce cool down, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to blend this. Okay, everything will come in one, guys. Okay. It is the best machine to make blender everything become nice and smooth sauce, guys. Beautiful. See, it's very smooth now. Okay, done. Beautiful. Okay, this sauce is ready to go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make pad thai. You can put in the freezer or refrigerator. Put in the refrigerator about 2 months. And you can freezer forever. So this you can cook all the time. It's easy for you. This is pad thai sauce, guys. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Okay, let's go make pad thai. You have it, pad thai sauce. Anytime you wanna stir fry pad thai, this sauce ready. Put in the refrigerator. But you can keep for 2 months. If you put in the freezer, you can keep for so long time, a year, no problem. But you're gonna finish before then because you're gonna cook that every week you feel like, or maybe party. Here you guys see that? That's the main one. Okay, let's go make pad thai.